So plant science is basic to human life. We all eat, and all the food that we eat comes from plants. It's a profound benefit. So one of the remarkable human achievements, and I think it's probably the major achievement that the human civilization, human societies have ever done, is to domesticate plants. And that began about 10,000 years ago. And what those early farmers did is that they would take the seeds from plants that were the most vigorous, that had the highest yield, that tasted the best, and were most resistant perhaps to drought or to insect predation. And those seeds would be the parental stock for the next generation. And then farmers would practice the same thing. And that went on for thousands and thousands of years, and that's how we get such thing as domesticated corn. I teach a course for non-science majors on plants, and my one goal is to make them really understand how absolutely wonderful and interesting and fun plants are. Well, they're incredible biochemists. I mean, that's the other thing that's really exciting. Many of our medicines are derived initially from plants. A Stapelia, it has a very large flower, and what it does is it tricks carrion flies into laying their eggs onto the flower because it looks like rotting meat and it smells like rotting meat. But of course, there is no rotting meat. The eggs die, the larvae die, but in the meantime, the plant is pollinated. That's pretty clever, I think. And now what a good pharmacist or what a good biochemist does is take a basic structure that a plant produces and then they modify it. But such things as aspirin, some of the cardiac drugs such as digitalis, all of those come from plants. So very, very useful.